Hello friends, welcome back to Automation 2050 channel. Today we are going to see about data pre-processing steps. So what are all the in machine learning before going to model building? First I will tell you why we are going to this data pre-processing steps. So in machine learning, first we have to import data. Then we have to do some descriptive statistics analysis, like we have to find what is mean, median, mode, standard deviation, like the summary of the data. In order to know how the data is, like the brief description about the data, and we can easily able to identify whether there is an outlier or there or not. Okay, like that. Sudden hikes are there or not. There are lots of summary statistics and all in there using sklearn library, or there are lots of library there. Data profiling in pandas and all is there for summary. After seeing the statistics about the data, like what is all about, we will go to data pre-processing steps. This step is very useful step. So we are going to discuss about this only today, and then we are finally going to fit the algorithm, that is ML model. Then only testing, validating, accuracy, everything will come. So this is the flow. I will again repeat the flow. First, in this video we are going to see about data pre-processing. So before going to that, first we have to some data, for example some Titanic data in Kaggle. Take that data directly. We can't go to ML model, that is wrong. After importing the data, we have to do some statistical analysis in order to know whether there is any outlier or any missing values, or outlier or mean, median, standard deviation, something we have to analyze about the data. And also you can do some visualization analysis like box plot and all you can do in the mean, median, in the second process. Box plot is used for finding out the outliers. And also if there is any outlier, we can do some analysis. For that only we are doing second step. After getting to know, we will get some idea about the data in the second step. After that, we are going to data pre-processing. It's used to convert the raw data into a clean data. So data pre-processing is the transformation applied to our data before feeding into the algorithm. So that's what step 4 comes, like feeding the data clean data into the algorithm. That is more important, because if you are going to directly, I will tell you, if you are going to directly, if there is a raw data, wait, I will rub this actually. Okay, so this is raw data. If you are going to directly upload this raw data into the machine learning algorithm, it will give worst accuracy, like for example 60% only. If you are going to convert the raw data or transform the raw data into a clean data, then after that, if you are going to convert the raw data into clean data, after that uploading this or fitting the clean data into the machine learning model, then you will get very much better accuracy, above 85%. So this is why we are moving the main purpose of doing data preparation technique is, this is one of the reasons why we are doing data preparation technique. There are lots of other reasons also. Okay. So here we are going to see what is data pre-processing, need for data pre-processing, and then what are all the different data pre-processing techniques. So what is data pre-processing? Pre-processing refers to the transformations applied to our data before feeding into your model or algorithm. Data pre-processing is a technique what is used to convert the raw data into clean data set. In other words, whenever the data is gathered from different resources, it is collected in raw format, which is not feasible for the analysis. So for example, first thing, raw data, then structured data, then data preparation, then exploratory EDA, then insights. Like this format is, this order is also there. And then need for data preparation, I will tell you.